Hey, future homeowner, you're thinking about buying a home and you have a lot of questions and you don't know where to start. Don't worry, I have you covered. The first step would be to have a conversation one on one. It could be in person or it could be via Zoom. You'll be asked a series of questions and you can ask me a series of questions. My series of questions will be figuring out what your goals are, what you're aiming to do. And then you ask me questions to get yourself more comfortable with the process, and I am more than happy to answer them. The next process after that, once we determine the beginning of our plan, we connect you with a lender. I have contacts with many lenders, reputable lenders I can connect you with. They'll figure out your financial situation to build a plan that way. Once they figure it out, I'll work side by side with your lender and we'll build an ultimate plan to help you achieve your goal. One of the main concerns that I hear is, hey, Ken, I do not want the lender to pull my credit. I don't want to take the hit against my credit report. I totally understand. Listen, they'll do a soft pull on your credit. It won't show up on your credit report. You can discuss that with them for further details, but they'll need that to pull out a financial plan. And if you're not ready to buy right now, they will help you construct a plan. It's all about having a plan. So if this sounds good and you want to have a one-on-one conversation with no strings attached, totally free, feel free to message below. All my details should be in the description. I'll be more than happy to hear from you. And please, if you find this content useful, please hit the like, share, and subscribe button.